All right, let's look at the Unit 9 pretest. So the first question is name the polyhedron. So part A, it has two parallel bases. That's a circle. So this would be a cylinder. This one here has two parallel bases that are triangles. Everything else is a rectangle. It does not come to just one point. So this would be a triangular prism. This here comes to one point. It only has one base. This base, you can't say for sure it's a square, but it's certainly a rectangle. So this would be a pyramid, and if the base is a rectangle, this would be a rectangular pyramid. So this says find the volume of the prism. So once again, you need to know what the volume of a prism is. If you remember, it's area of the base times the height. But because the base is a rectangle, the area is length times width of the rectangle times the height of the whole prism. Well, it doesn't really matter which one you call the base of this. You could call this the base, or you can call that the base. It doesn't really matter because in the end, you're just multiplying all three of those numbers together. So you have 7.5 times 2 times 4. Take out your calculator. 7.5 times 2 times 4. And this will be 60. And again, don't forget, it's inches cubed because it's volume. All right, number 3, it says find the volume of a cone. So it tells you it's a cone, no guessing there. So you know that you have your volume formulas. The volume of a cone is pi r squared h divided by 3. And again, we're going to assume that they want us to use 3.14 for the cone, for pi, I'm sorry. So pi will be 3.14 r squared. Well, they tell me here that this whole thing is 2, so the radius would just be 1 squared, and the height is 3, and you're going to divide that whole thing by 3. So these 3's actually just cancel out, so you can tell this is going to be 3.14. But let me do it out anyways. 3.14 times 1 squared times 3 divided by 3 is going to be 3.14. Again, the units are kilometers squared. All right, I mean cubed. Did I say squared? I meant cubed. So sorry. Good thing we caught that. All right, number 4 says the volume of a sphere. So the volume formula for a sphere is 4 pi r cubed all over 3. Again, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So this will be 4 times 3.14. They give me here the radius is 7. They give it as the radius, not the diameter, so I can use that. 7 cubed all over 3. Go to my calculator. 4 times 3.14 times 7 cubed divided by 3. And if you don't know where the cubed button is on your calculator, let me just finish this. If I round it to one decimal place, it would be 1436 centimeters cubed. If you don't know how to find 7 cubed on your calculator, you can just type it as 7 times 7 times 7. That would be fine as well. All right, let's do number 5. It says the volume of a pyramid. So once again, the formula for a pyramid would be the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Well, the base of this pyramid is a square because this is 3 and this is 3. So it would be side squared times h divided by 3 because side squared is the formula for the area of the base. So the side is 3 squared. The height of the pyramid is 5. I'm going to divide that by 3. So this would just be 3 squared times 5 divided by 3. And this would be 15 centimeters cubed. And number 6 says find the volume of a cylinder. The formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h. So pi, again, we're going to use 3.14. The radius, well, they give me on this one here, they give me that it's 40 all the way across. I don't want the diameter, I want the radius, so I'm going to have to take half of that. So half of 40 would be 20. And the height is the height that would join my two circles, so that would be 11. And so if I put this in my calculator, I'll get 3.14 times 20 squared times 11, and I'll get 13816 miles, because it says miles cubed. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.